What was the cause of the damage? Is a key question in any damage of plumbing, heating, and piping systems. Was it a material or a manufacturing error? An installation mistake? Or did the user do something wrong? DEKRA will find out with comprehensive damage analysis. In Saarbrücken, DEKRA operates an accredited laboratory with versatile interdisciplinary testing facilities, from sample preparation and the examination of many different materials, such as metals, plastics, and composites, to particle analysis and chemical examinations of organic and inorganic compounds. To this end, we have highly qualified specialists and versatile testing equipment for material examination, such as scanning electron microscopes, infrared spectrometers, differential calorimetry, and thermogravimetric equipment. What's more, customer orientation is not just a buzzword to us, but something we practice every day. Our experts respond promptly, advise you directly by telephone, and quickly prepare customized, transparent offers. After commissioning, we immediately start the tests and subsequently provide you with informative and easy-to-understand test reports. In addition, we can help you with taking, packing, and sending test samples, and we can provide you with all the necessary checklists and accompanying forms. You will see, at DEKRA, you receive all services related to damage analysis in one place. DEKRA, your full-service partner for damage analysis. Do you want to learn more? Then visit us online.